frying pan snack made in just 5 minutes and very delicious. By far, this is the most delicious snack ever. Let's start this recipe with 2 eggs. Let's mix it very well, beat the eggs very well. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Then let's add a tablespoon of cream cheese, half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of oregano, and go mixing it again. Now let's add half a cup of baking powder. This recipe is amazing, guys. Besides being very easy to make, it's super yummy. Now in a frying pan, let's put some butter or oil, okay, what you prefer. And let's pour all of this batter inside of the frying pan. Let's let it brown, okay? After it's fried on one side, let's start with the boards and turn it around. This way, as you can see on the video. And now let's wait for it to fry on the other side. How wonderful this batter is, guys. Seriously, it's super crunchy. Let's turn it around again, and now it's my favorite part. Let's fill it, okay? Mozzarella cheese. Here you can fill it with whatever you prefer. If you are on a diet, it's super recommended to put like chicken with ricotta, okay? It's gonna be sensational as well. But if you're not in a diet, a restricted diet, just put the cheese that you're gonna fall in love with it. Now guys, just turn it like this. We are going to fold it actually and wait for the cheese to melt. This recipe is no questioning amazing, super practical for your daily routine, amazing for breakfast or afternoon snack or even for your dinner. Yes guys, you know when you don't want to make dinner and you just want to eat a little snack, make it that you're gonna love it, okay? Guys, amazing. Eating it before going to the gym or after it, it's gonna be amazing, okay? And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Knowing your opinion is super relevant for us, and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one. Oh, and remember that you can change the filling. You can put chocolate instead. Seriously, use your creativity, then come and tell me what you thought about it. Thank you so much and see you guys around.